In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert MP3 to video effortlessly. Let's get right into it. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, open up a new tab and then type in MP3 converter and click enter. And then click on one of these three websites and then click and then choose the file that you want to convert to MP3. And in this case, I'm using this website. And then make sure that the output is MP3. And you can change a different audio file format if you would like, and then you can click this icon right here to adjust the settings or the volume, and you can even have it fade in, fade out. You can reverse the audio, and then if you're happy, click apply. And then the last step here is to click convert and then click download once it's finished. And as you can see, it has been downloaded. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.